All right, everybody, Sylvia here, and I am still in the desert of Southern California. I am taking care of last minute things, and I'm going to be moving on in just a few days. But today I want to talk about something different. I have been noticing a narrative creeping into the comments and discussions on social media. And this is something I don't think I have ever talked about on my channel. I don't think it's something that people who follow my channel regularly are aware of. And so I just want to take a few minutes to clarify some things and do a little channel housekeeping. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, yeah, so I have been seeing a narrative creeping into the comments and discussions on social media, mostly on Facebook. There's a lot of different group pages for recumbents and trikes. And it's not like people are talking about me a lot, but I have seen a common thread where I think what's happening is because I've had my YouTube channel for a number of years and I publish regularly, I try to publish a video about every 5 or 6 days. I could certainly publish videos more often, but I kind of feel like that's about as often as anyone needs to hear from me. But I'm kind of seeing that people are making an assumption because I make these videos regularly that I have my channel to make money, that is my motivation, and that I am making money. And so today that's really what I want to talk about, is why I started my channel, what motivates me, what I'm hoping to achieve, and to really explain that this niche is just far too small. Recumbents and trikes is far too small to ever expect to make money from. So YouTube is really just a strange animal, and there are all kinds of benchmarks that you have to reach, that you have to achieve in order to make money from your videos. The first one is you have to have 1,000 subscribers in order to monetize your videos. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers, it's really irrelevant how many subscribers you have. I think I have about 4,400 subscribers, which for me is a lot. For YouTube, it barely registers in the algorithm. And you also have to have so many views per video in order to make money. So you're making money from people watching your videos, but mostly it's because people are watching the ads that are also part of your videos. And so, my videos probably get about 1,500 views, and I don't know how many views you have to make money, but that clearly is not enough. The other thing is, you not only have to have a lot of views, but people have to watch your videos for a certain amount of time. The longer they watch your video, the more money you're going to make, the more ads they're going to see. And the other thing is, in an earnings period, which is a month, you have to make $100 in order to get a check within that earnings period. So enough people have to watch your videos to rack up $100. And if you don't, then it just rolls over to the next month. And hopefully within that second month, you have had enough views, people have watched enough ads to make $100, and then you get a check. Until very recently, I was getting a check about every 3 or even 4 months. So I would reach that $100 threshold and I would get a check. And recently I've started to get a check every 2 months. So you can see that this doesn't really cover a lot. It certainly doesn't even come close to covering the time it takes to make the videos. Doesn't cover my cell phone bill. I can't fill my gas tank. I can't even go out for a mediocre meal with the money that I am making from YouTube. So when I started this YouTube channel, it really was as a way to expand how I document my travels, mostly for me, for my friends, for my family, and of course anybody that wants to follow along. And my idea for the channel was that I would offer a reliable place for good information about trikes, touring, and gear. And one thing that was really important to me was to be able to show the unique perspective of riding a trike from the viewpoint of the seat, so people could see what it's actually like to ride a tricycle. I do a lot of videos where I'm riding from point A to point B. I love doing group ride videos. And one thing that I think is really fun is to show all the different people that are on a group ride. I love to show the different trikes, the different e-assist, show the different setups. And I also think that for a lot of people, they don't have photos and videos of themselves riding their trikes or recumbent bikes. And it's just nice to be able to give people so they can share with their friends and family what they're doing. They can show themselves riding their bikes or trikes. They can show the community and the group and show how much fun it is to ride a trike. And so these are really the things that motivate me and what I'm trying to show through my YouTube videos. It's really not about making money. It would be great to make a little bit more money. I think all of us could use a little bit more money, but I really doubt that's ever going to happen. And I would love to know what you think about all of this. If you have an idea for how I can improve my videos, maybe I can get some more views, more people on board, it would be really great. Please leave a comment in the comments section below. I love hearing from everybody. You guys are so great with your comments. You help me out so much, and it really is the thing that keeps me motivated, is the conversation, the give and take, and to see that people are enjoying the videos and watching. So please stay safe, stay healthy, be well, and I will see you next time.